Needle trading. I should trade. It's time to scam. Another day of scamming, which my fake needle. Trading the super rare, extraordinary dumpling that the king of needles gave me. Going once, going twice. The girl's trading her her king gummy bear. Me. I want over. Can I give you this pink needle? The pink needle. I also want to give you my blue needle. Since it's the king. I'm going to give you my Labubu. I can also give you this random fidget thing. This thing you can fill it anything with. It's not really worth it. And that's it. Please accept. Please. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. That's a huge offer. Is it worth accept? 2 needles, a fidget, the hangry thing, and a little boo. I will accept. Give me this needle. I can't wait. Yes. Successful scam. Get